we're gonna close it with here. Taking up a little. Linda, thank you for coming. Thank you for. I'm barely can see sometimes my people. I'm gonna look for your faces. Sometimes I forget your names because there's so many of you. But I want to thank you all for coming. Non, viens, faut aller, viens, non, allez, pardon, non, allez, faut aller, faut la sepela. Viens qui fait la, faut la sepela. Faut la sepela. Rachida, yele, Rachida, yele. Allez, là-bas. C'est Ife Mogonza Baluba. Toke, hey, anamini samona kibara, la, ana kibara, la. Toke, Tony Masebe. Toke, Zela. So in the Congo, we dance, we get what's going on. So we're getting you guys to get used to it. Get on it. Swallow golo. Hey, everybody's here today, huh? Hey, on a guitare. Là. On tourne. Yoni le voco. Là. On a bonne guitare. Là. On a guitare. Là. On a guitare. Là. Sama. Là. Toke. On a guitare. Là. On a guitare. Là. Swanagolo. Swanagolo. Afato que de la cabozo.
Sama moto madaka de bote tudu manigolo kamanila a moto kisa yasaba aba managa mana tumana koya mana sukusi mana Rato kabina kuya maluke do kabina kuya le kabina buta kabina bodesa yo amama ke do de tina tumanela kamadoro
Congo promo qui torcos net in a film. Congo promo babundana nango.
Babundana nango quoi.
Big up my brother, associé valable. What's up, man? Are you fine, Mr. Raf Ngindu? Comment États-Unis d'Amérique? Parce qu'il est tous à Boston ou en Raf. Congo promo. Monde entier international, n'est-ce pas?
Qui ne doit pas être sur le côté de la Kini. Tara Congo promo, to kota partout. On va limiter sur le kota partout. Donc, on a vu ce Congo promo numéro 1, c'est tout. Congo promo.
La qualité, c'est notre passion et votre choix, c'est notre bonheur. Alors voici pour vous la salle des fêtes Les 4 filles pour tous vos événements. Salle des fêtes Les 4 filles pour tous vos événements. Baptême, anniversaire, conférence, séminaire, mariage. Une seule adresse, 1 rue René Mayer, 77 127, lieu 100.
It's coming. Ça commence à viendre. So it takes a lot of breathing to do what they do right now. Mama D in the house. I'll be spitting on my best part on the valley. Just to start, I want everybody to go ahead like this, okay? Hey, 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 hey. See, we're breaking the ice, we're breaking the ice. Shout out to Congo, 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 Congo. My brother's from Benin, so Joseph is busy speaking, in tongue, yeah. But anyway, a group or a band is a dynamic of many entities, always. The good thing about it, actually again, love is what keeps people together. Because to have somebody like him as talented as JB, and to sit here, get himself, come together, very like whoever it is very privileged. So love keep us all together.
Vous êtes bon.
But anyways,
ce qu'il est en train de dire. Les Congolais, les Gabonais, les Camerounais.
On parle différemment.
Ils sont bons.
On parle tous différemment.
Bon quoi, dans le speech quoi.
Ça c'est.
Et puis dans le même il a dit peu là.
Everybody, this is Sophia L. Coffee. She's my African-American connection. So whenever I want to go to gospel churches, in the way I like, Sophia, please tell them the message about the heart.
Home. Oh, it's the very first sound. Boom, boom. Across the water, boom, boom. Ooh, it's Africa, boom, boom. Ooh, I know you can feel it, boom, 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 boom. The very first sound, boom, 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 boom. It's all around, boom, boom.
The heart beats, y'all. Oh, Thelma Wandido. There's so many of you tonight, I don't even know where to start. Which name to start with tonight, Jimmy Labe. Ba 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 ba. Hey. Ba ba ba. This is how I go. We're gonna progress gradually. Bum, 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 bum. I see Yoni Lobogo just got here. You know, I want to thank this young man. He was not feeling good today, but he did his best to get here so he can play the guitar, okay? Keep it up for Yonilo Boko, Yonilo Boko, Yonilo Boko, Yonilo Boko. You know, that's what I call courage, okay? Bum, 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 bum. So I'm going to wait for Yoni because Yoni has a very, very strategic part in this one. Hey, bum, 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 bum. Jordan Wandombe, yeah, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Jimmy, Jimmy, Labe. Grace, Grace, oh God. NKUMU Katalay, yeah, yeah. Delma Wandido. Delma Wandido. Mamadi, Mamadi, Mamadou. Senegal, Senegal, oh yeah. Garifuna, oh yeah. Garifuna, oh yeah. I got my Garifuna people in the house tonight, right? Garifuna, oh yeah. Is Africa in the house tonight? Africa, oh yeah. Oh, by the way, everybody's African actually. You know, sorry guys. If you didn't know, you're African. She's African. Hey, Chichi, 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 Maestro.
Ça va m'aider quoi.
Ok, c'est bien intro. Universe message. Ok. Après Congo, j'appelle Emmanuel quand on finit ma soeur là, il s'appelle le Kibo Pays, on peut commencer ça. Sol, 5, 4, 5. Ouais. Et c'est même pareil, va avec la guitare.
Original tool called Congo, because I'm trying to tell humanity, if you don't take care of Congo, that's the biggest paradox of humanity. How can something that feeds you, you can barely take care of it? So that's what this song is asking us, the paradox. It's coming, I can feel it. It's going from here. It's stepping in, it's stepping in. Ale ilani mwani mayeleza la kanangwelo kwa kosomba. 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 Kasi bozo bandesa la kayango eloga ofele nzambe lelo bateki Kongo ye na maboka banguna bateki Kongo ye na maboka banguna Spartakis bateki Kongo na maboka banguna ye Jordan Ndombe bateki Kongo na maboka banguna Jimmy Labe bateki Kongo na maboka banguna Grace Auka bateki Kongo na maboka banguna Eto tsana bateki Kongo na maboka banguna ye Chichi. So how's everybody doing today? I promise you guys, we're gonna mess around with the energy today because sometimes to dance, you don't need music to be as aggressive. Sometimes we have to listen, sometimes we have to dance, sometimes we have to stand up, sometimes we have to sit down, sometimes we have to eat. That's how it goes. Right, Sister Club? Alailani mwani mayeleza la kanangwelo kwa kosomba mayeleza la kanangwelo kwa kosomba mayeleza la kanangwelo kwa kosomba kasi bozoba nezalaka elokwa ofele nzambe lelo bateki Kongo na maboko ya banguna lelo bateki Kongo yeye na maboko ya banguna Berna bateki Kongo na maboko ya banguna ye lelo bateki Kongo na maboko ya banguna Kongo monguna na yo nanye Kongo monguna na yo nanye Kongo monguna na yo nanye est-ce que za jalousie est-ce que za koboya est-ce que za kofinga est-ce que za kochola est-ce que za banzala Kongo yomboka ya Lumumba Kongo mboka ya Kasavubu Kongo mboka ya Zingankubu yo Kongo mboka ya Simoki Mbangu yangu pezalaki mboka ya Papa Mobutu
I'm getting love, you know, like, hey, I believe everything ends. That's really true. The Bible says it, right? Everything ends here, but love doesn't. You know, it can be symbolized with a little, you know, a little hug or something, but it's beyond that. It's really it's the tender part.
Okay, now we're gonna change gear a little. Okay, is that okay? We're gonna switch up gear. Everybody, we're gonna practice now. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my vision. My vision is to highlight the contribution of Congolese culture in world history. So when we're talking world history, I'm seeing my people from Congo and Cuba. I see them among African Americans. I see them among Latinos. I see them among all these people. So my job is to put what Congo does and what they do, put it together and show to you that we are the same people. Is that okay? So, for a beginner, I really love what she's doing. So, show. No, come, it's okay, Wookie, it's okay. We'll catch them later, okay? Later. Give it up for Wookie, everybody, Wookie. Only 2 weeks dancing, so that's beautiful. Let's switch gear, guys. Let's go. Manicero que te va, manicero que te va, manicero que te va, manicero te va. Alobaki nanga ya kozonga, alobaki ya kozonga, Jordan alobi ya kozonga, Congo bolobi bo kozonga. Mama kenda na ye, tellement kenda na ye, ya Joseph, couleur, 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 couleur. Manicero te va. Alobaki ya kozonga, Fernand alobaki ya kozonga, avec Moniego, Fernand kenda na ye. Ya kenda na ye, yo tika Isaac na mawae, mwana na yo ya mawae, mani, mani. Keyboard one, Emmanuel on keyboard one. Entering the same line and then we walk away in formation and just feed up of each other anyway. I'm trying to trust not to come in with you guys. I'm telling you guys, it's serious business here. You see, she doesn't want me to give her hand, you see, like that. It's okay. Kevin Bossa kenda na ye, Atiga Isaac na mawae. Yeah, kenda na ye. Maybe you guys are feeling sad. I'll bring somebody from the audience quickly. I'm doing it exactly the way we'll do in Cuba or Congo. Exactly, okay? I'm going to tell a little story. This is actually the beauty of humanity. Humanity, when we come together, we can solve almost anything. Concerts for me is a place of dissertation in the sense that I'm united with everybody, one heart. Or if we're not in one heart, we're going to get each other in one heart so we can go, right? That's how solution looks like. One heart, go. One heart, go. One heart, we go. One heart, we go. That's how solution looks like, okay? Money. Queens around me. I don't even have princess. I'm telling you guys, queens. Africa, we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna take it easy. I'm telling you, I only have queens around me. I don't even have princesses. I'm telling you. Princesses take too long to get the point. Queens get it like that. Awangana fandi Odema mobongi teo Omonyo moni sangava panda na miso Sa Awangana fandi Odema mobongi teo Amama Omonyo moni sangava Mathieu, Mathieu. He likes Miles Davis. He likes Miles Davis. You see? He likes Miles Davis. He brings Miles Davis on stage for me. Awangana fandi Odema mobongi teo. Now I'm taking you to the best planet, continent, again. Hiya vaneri l'Africa jaza kompa Africa Nakei movembo si mashelu manzaka Africa Okanisa tesheri na kozokela yo Africa Okanisa tesheri na kozokela yo Africa Okanisa te mama na kozokela yo Africa, Africa, Moka Chakane Ndombe. Africa, Africa, Yepe ya Smart. Africa, ya Pafino Soko. Africa, Jimmy, this is how we do in Africa. Hey, no, you listen, I'm waiting for all of you. See, Papi, open it up. This is how we do in the Congo, guys. Yo, yeah. the boss. Me go say, 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 me go. Oh, kanisa te sheri na kozo pelayo. Africa. telling them. This is the most beautiful continent in the world. I don't know how you, it doesn't matter how you put it. Africa is the most beautiful continent in the world. Besides, it fits everybody. Africa fits everybody. How can you complain about that? Africa. Okay, two. Kokanisa te chéri na kozongela yo. Kokanisa te Africa mama ye, mama ye. Africa ye, Africa oh ye. Africa ye, mboka Pablo Blanco. Africa ye, Africa yo ye. Yeah. We're gonna say you guys getting excited and the band is getting excited. But Mathieu. See, my job is to control excitement. Okay, Ben, let disappear. Toke, Emma, Zalanga, you need toke. I'm gonna tell you why I have to control excitement. I'm gonna tell you in a minute why. Toke, Boma. So we're gonna control excitement because the world is going through a lot right now. Because yes, my first album will be called The Paradox. The reason for it, yes, we're dancing here so we can sometimes get a chance to forget whatever it is that we might be going through, which is good. But in moments like this, it's also good to remember those who either passed, those who are going through struggle, those who are going through something. Because when we remember them, it gives us strength to know that we exist. It gives us the chance to know that we feel, right? So I'm gonna take excitement for a little bit, make you penetrate the paradox, to go into a little semi-dark phase in this non-lubricant form called music, to express how I see what's going on. You know, the paradox is many of us people of culture, we find ourselves in spiritual places like churches, or we believe in our spirituality. It's always part of us, trust me. When you see us dancing, most of our music are spiritual music. I tell you, that's not even a secret. It's really spiritual music. Yahweh to belemi, pembeni na yowe, yamba masanjoli, to bonjeli yowe, bomoy to pesa na yowe, mitema posa na yowe. Hey Yahweh, kumama, Asimbona umandela tinda la pekona la petrelikona. Oh, Asimbona umandela tinda la pekona la petrelikona. Wherever you are, you could touch your heart. For me, I'll raise my hand because I want to recognize the movement that's happening now. Black lives does matter. So it does matter. And I also want to notice, you know, for the 2 police who died, you know, my condolences go to the family, because we should not kill to justify anything. What I like about this place now is humanity wish to do what you guys are doing right now. You came in what we call a concert. You get yourself ready, you wash your clothes, you get yourself ready to come to a place like this. This is actually equivalent to a solution because we all united as one heart to listen to this young man from the Congo speak. That solution right there. So I wanted to take this moment to make you travel to what I call a semi-dark facade. Because I don't paint, I can only use music. So, this is my expression of the color. Coco. Na makasi tokende mosala na mayele totonga mboka e bongo mobesi ya makasi ya mayele ya mosala Zambe na nguye bombo ya moto tuna lumengo na maboko na Zambe bombo ya moto na maboko na Zambe. I told you I'm going to take you to a dark phase, okay? This song is called The Horn Line in Spiritual. Namakasye, namakasyo, namakasye, namakasyo, yeah. Namakasi tokende mosala, namayele totonga mboka e, bongo mopesi ya makasi ya mayele ya mosala, Zambe na nguya e, bombo ya moto. Na maboko na Nzambe molimo moto ye migose na maboko na Nzambe o Yama oh yeah oh yeah yama yeah oh yeah yama yeah oh yeah oh yama oh oh yama oh yama yama Florence, nice to see you, Florence. There's so many of you, I don't even know where to begin. Spartology, that's my young brother right there. Spart, upcoming artist. So support all the young Congolese young men here, trying to represent who we are. It gets a little tough to be young and from the Congo, come here with no resources, and do what we have to do. Yeah, oh, eh, yama. 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 See, the wonderful thing about Africa, even when we cry, we dance. Even when we laughing, we dance. When we bury our people, we dance. When we honor them, we dance. When we cry for them, we dance. Oh, Africa. Don't cry, Africa, don't cry. Oh, Yoni Loboko. Give it up again, new generation guitar player, Yoni. New generation, Yoni. Yoni. That's the man. Ça, c'est la fête à la congolaise, quoi. Dancing, I'm gonna have my manager take this around. Please give me the best gift you have today. Ben, Ben. I'm gonna have my manager take this around. This is a tip bucket. You guys give us the best tip you have today. They're gonna come around with it twice, okay? But not now, just one time now. Pablo Blanco, take this. Everybody, see this beautiful young man? A Garifuna young man. Pablo Blanco. Pablo, take your time. Pablo, please don't rush. Money, you take your time. Papi, you gotta pull out 100, no? Come on. Come on, no? Oh, Masua ekonana lo seba e betio. Japonais o kito pongo Masua ekonana lo seba e betio. Masua ekonana bolingo pe na ni. Masua ebungi na ngambo ya lo nende. Bolingo pe ebungi na ngambo ya lo nende. Michel. Linda. Hey, oh. Shout out to Grass, Auka. Our Vegas people. Shout out to Brazil. I know people in Brazil are watching live. I know people in Congo and Paris are watching live in Belgium. Shout out. So, in Congo we play rumba, but I'm creating my own style of rumba that I'll call rumba funk. Just like in some churches, man. Unica, Masua, Unica, come, please, come, Unica. While everybody's having their rumba, I want to have a rumba with the queen on stage right now. this song, I want everybody to follow us on Facebook. It's simple. By the time I finish this song, I want everybody to follow us. switching gear.
C'est Waya. C'est Waya. C'est Waya. C'est Waya. C'est Waya.
De la mode aïe deda. Ina wo mama. Wo mama. Wo tu. Azalagi yawe agenda wabe. Azalagi yawe agenda wabe. Azalagi yawe agenda wabe. Azalagi yawe agenda Azalagi yawe. Emmanuel, keyboard, Emmanuel, Emma. Balobi Okito Bongo, dans ma vie délégation congolaise tout en main. Florence, what's going on, Florence? What's going on, Florence? This is when Africa rule. We rule with rhythm. Together. Africa, oh yeah! Congo, oh yeah! Okito Popo, Ibe Chimanga, yeah! Okay, one more time. showing like we're treating Madison Square Square Garden. So the dancers gonna come back, give them a little room. Mommy, hey mama. Hey mama, where's Abdel? Abdel, we're treating you showing like Madison Square Garden. Yes, bossa na mbona, bossa na mbona, bossa na mbona, bossa na mbona. Ale mateketa, ale mateketa. Na yogi pe shodier mwana Tanzania alona kata ndaku. Shodier yao kabo la micro, pata pata. Esa la buena Congo, esa la buena Congo. Chade! C'est comme ça se passe au Congo. Congo, yeah! T'inquiète, Congo, on est toujours là. Jamais parti. Chade! Mana basonga chile kuna mabele. Shade! Thank you guys, thank you. Give it up for them. Bon. I have my young brother, Sparta de la mode. Yara. So this is my young brother, Sparta. He's also an up-and-coming artist. So, I don't know if you want to say hello to people or you want to to the right, to the left, everything is Spot. Everybody give it up for Spartakis de la mode. Spartakis de la mode. Tokos. Isabella. Aïe aïe. Dosiga do yeah. Chaleur, chaudière. Aux Arabes. Chaudière, chaleur. Mon compte à Balouba. Balobi makabosi abandi. Pusana. Swamolongo. Ife moko tabaluba. Shonera kolela he. Toke. Balobi swamolo. Pusana. Swamolo. Balobi kambrusu yangoyo. Arr. Balobi toke kambrusu. Toke. Kambrusu. Kambrusu. Eba tsinginga. Kambrusu. Nagenda wami. Kambrusu. Eba tsinginga. Ganabina wami. Kambrusu. Eba tsinginga. Ganagenda wami. Eba tsinginga. Ganabina wami. Balobi boma. Sogola yo. Hey. Bogo chabaluba. Yo. Como baby. Mayele ko pade busobango. Ife mogo chabaluba. Toke. Hey. Ana bini samona kibara. La. Toke. Tobi masebel. Toke. Zela. Zola.
So in the Congo, we dance, we get what's going on. So we getting you guys to get used to it. Get on it, get on it, get on it, get on it.
Swallow golo. Swallow golo. Swallow golo.
Hey, everybody's here today, huh?
Hey, on est qui parle. Là. On tourne.
On est le Congo.
Là. On est bon qui parle. Là. On est qui parle. Là. On est qui parle. Là. C'est bon. Là. On est qui parle. Là. On est qui parle. Là. On est qui parle. Là. 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 Continue à goûter. Là. Là. Continue à goûter. Là. On est qui parle. Là. On est qui parle. Là. DJ Mirona qui parle. Là. Il parle. I didn't see you dance. I want you dance. Okay. Isaac Katalay. Swallow golo. Swallow golo. Swallow golo. Apato que de la cabusu.
Sama moto madanga de bonde, tudu manigolo, kamanila a moto kisa. Yasaba, aba managa mana tumana kuya mana fukushi mana Rato kabina kuya maluke do kabina kuchole kabana mutata kabana bodesa. Hey yo, amama, keto beti tanto mandela kamatoro. C'est pas fini, hein? Ou bien, alors la merci le monde!
Give it up for more power. See, not only the artist is supported by great artists, there's a lot of potential great artists. So we're gonna switch gear before we close it. I wanna give it up to you guys. You're being very patient. We're gonna switch it to the last gear before we head out. Come on, show. So this is my shout out to the Most High, because I sing about God and I sing about the Congo. Those are my two subjects. There we go, now. alongolanga na pasi alongolanga minyoko yawe alongola na pasi alongolanga minyoko papa olongola Nzambe epai bakofinganga na zotelema jolene ndombe bafingi babwake izaka koteleme bayina jo bayina na kokoba nanga Emmanuel Tudwe oh Ive Chimanga oh migo se migo mwana Nzambe bafili ya sugu yane mwana Nzambe zina lumengo mwana Nzambe kikiki vyana olongolanga na pasi Nzambe na pasi yesoyo olongolanga look at my people here Patricia you made it olongolanga na pasi Nzambe epai bakokweyanga na zotelema epai bakokweyanga na zotelema nanga 10 000 ans ma gauche 10 000 ans ma droite na bonne santé Isaka koyembela yoyo ngai nabesa na yo nini baba nabesa na yo nini Nzambe yo nabesa na yo nini Nzambe nabesa na yo nini Nzambe oh sachez que le bien-aimé de Dieu il le voit il est bon il est bon To different words all the time, huh? That's my job. C'est vous la vidéo. Gracias, Uka. Tell-moi one leader. Yona mokonza baluba Chimanga yona papier jineji tomulio be awaye Bolongola koko alongola yona passe wuki alongola yona passe Shanika alongola yona passe oh unique alongola yona passe Spartologie Zamba longola yona passe Sister what's your name Rashida alongola yona passe Rashida alongola yona passe Rashida I see my bullet get it down 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 get it down. Happy holidays, everybody. Happy holidays. Mi gentes, ¿cómo estás? I see my people from Bezos. Alongola, Yoni Noboko, yeah. Yoni Noboko. pase. Okito pongo, yo te voy a edombiaga. Okito pongo, yo te voy a toshano. Okito pongo, yo te voy a deti. Okito pongo, yo te yana sara. Olongola, olongola, olongola ngana pasi, olongola ngana pasi. Nzambe, epa iba kokoya ngana zote. Yone Nzambe ya Sofia, elle est coffee. Nzambe ya Sofia, elle est coffee. Nzambe ya Sofia, elle est coffee. Olongola, olongola, olongola ngana pase. Tout le monde regarde. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Olongola ngana pasi. Nzambe, Nzambe Maria, Ia Maria. Oh, sachez que le Père de Dieu, sachez, donne-moi quelque chose. Donc, ou bien, Emma, donne-moi quelque chose. Emma, donne. Everybody, Emmanuel, Emma. Oh, I see Marla in the house. Marla is in the house. Boss lady. Emma, everybody, Emma. Nakobi na rumba. Nakobi na rumba. Thank you. Give it up for Emmanuel. Emma, everybody. Emma. Again, after Emma, we have Joe Keys on second piano. C'est bon. Joe Keys. On trumpet 1, I have Matthew Yukos. He wakes up, he wakes up Miles Davis for me. So I like to hear Miles Davis, This one, we call him Shade. So to put him in the Congo, we call it Shade de Montikile. Shade. Alors bi Shade de Montikile aussi de Goa. Yeah, Shade de Montikile. Afwa Boni, Kitoko Mwasi. Kenya. Yoni Loboko. He's gonna replace the Daliki Moko on this grade. Watch him, watch him. Yoni Loboko. Oh, sachez que l'Éternel est Dieu, il est le roi, il est bon. Sachez que l'Éternel est Dieu, il est le roi, il est bon. Il est bon. Il est bon. Il est bon. Puis c'est Dieu, il est bon. So we're coming to an end. What time do we have? Close it with here. Taking up a little. Linda, thank you for coming. Thank you for. I'm barely can see sometimes my people. I'm trying to look for your faces. Sometimes I forget your names because there's so many of you. But I want to thank you all for coming. Non, viens, faut aller à viens, non, allez, pardon, non, allez, faut aller à, faut la seper là. Viens qui fait là, faut la seper là. Faut la seper là. Rachida, Rachida, So we're closing the show. We're closing. And this is just where we express ourselves. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. We're gonna close it up. We're gonna close it up. But be ready for it. Tu dois venir. So we're gonna close it up. DJ Biran is coming. You guys stick around. We're gonna shoot up one more time and we close it up for now. 7 days. It's coming. Ça commence à revenir.
Congo promo kitoko neti na film. Congo promo babundana nango.
Big up my brother, associé valable, what's up man? Are you fine? Mr. Raf Ngindu. Comment États-Unis d'Amérique? Parce que tous à Boston ou en Raf. Congo promo. Monde entier international, n'est-ce pas?
Qui n'y doit pas biso de côté à Tina Baki. Tara Congo promo, de côté à partout. Bango va limiter sur le côté à partout. Donc, à MUSIQUE, Congo promo, numéro 1, site tout.
La qualité, c'est notre passion et votre choix, c'est notre bonheur. Alors voici pour vous la salle des fêtes Les 4 filles pour tous vos événements. Salle des fêtes Les 4 filles pour tous vos événements. Baptême, anniversaire, conférence, séminaire, mariage. Une seule adresse, 1 rue René Mayer, 77 127, lieu 100.